What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Emmy, and I've been documenting my journey on this YouTube channel. So, yeah, subscribe if you want to experience a zero to hero story, you get, because I'm not giving up until I've made it from trading. And yeah, so today we are breaking down the action from last week trades. We had a couple of losses and we also had wins. And mind you, all these things happen in trading. Wins and losses are actually necessary in trading. Yeah, a whole lot of lesson learned. And let's dive in and see what we can take away from this week's market. You get. So guys, this was the first trade I took last week, and this trade was on 30th of January, as you all can tell from it right here. I took this trade. This trade was literally the best, like the definition of 2022 model, but I don't really know the reason why I got stopped at. And all these things happens in trading. I'm not new into trading. I've been trading for over a year now, so I know how to handle all these things. So I'm going to be giving you the breakdown real quick right now. So let me clean up the chart a little bit more. So guys, my buyers were literally framed from the 4 hour time frame as usual because that's where I frame my buyers, my trading buyers from. So as you guys can literally tell, we bounced off from this 4 hour bullish value gap, and then we came into this gap, this opening gap right here. Let me mark it out. I think this was the weekly opening gap. Yes, this gap happened on Monday. That's the starting of the week. So as you all can see, we came in to this 4 hour fair value gap. We dipped in, and from there we swept the high. As you all can see from this price action right here, we didn't close above this high right here. So that was a pure liquidity sweep. If you guys know about liquidity sweep, so we swept the high. So as you guys can see, this was a sweep of liquidity, and we start displacing back into the zone. Initially, my targets, I was literally thinking that price was going to um cover the came and like sweep this low. If you guys understand what I'm trying to talk, I was thinking price would go up like this, sweep this high, then come down again, sweep this low, then before going higher, and that was literally my bias. So I went down to the 1 hour and 15 minute time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour first. And as you guys can see, it was actually way more clear out here. It is clear. We had the sweep, and we also had this internal sweep again, and that this sweep was caused by news. I think it was FOMC. The second sweep was caused by news. The fuck. And as you guys can see, we started displacing back into the zone, and I went down to the 15 minute time frame. At that point, it was actually during New York session. As you guys can see, this Asia session, London session, and New York session. Wait, let me clean up the chart a little bit. And yeah, if you guys want me to do a video about my session indicator, please comment it down in the comment section. And as you guys can see, we swept the high, displaced back into this range. We had this what the fuck is my card? We had this full what's it called? We had this full breaker block, and I also marked this out as a change in the state of delivery. We had this full zone right here because price literally swept the high and displaced switched bullish because price was literally showing me bullish price action. You get, so I marked out this full range as my change in state of delivery. That's my order block. This whole range right here. And as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, let me zoom in. Price came back into the zone and started going out. Let me use a line. So I literally marked out here as change in the state of delivery because we swept and this place lower. Guys, I'm not really good at doing videos like this, but I'm going to get used at it because I actually need to do more videos about my trade recap. So I need to learn how to speak on videos. I'm kind of a shy type, so don't mind the way I'm speaking. So yeah, we swept, we took out the low, came back with this candle, this bullish candle right here, and that was when I was looking for a 5 minutes bearish fair value gap to take shots from. And as you guys can see, we came back right here and we had this push, this 5 minutes fair value gap right here, and that was literally my entry. I took the entry from this 5 minutes fair value gap. My stop was at these highs, and I was targeting those low. My entry was at there, then my stop here. Then my target was pretty much this lows right here for a 1 to 2. And as you guys can see, there's nothing much about the trade. It literally went straight to my stop loss. And that was it for on Thursday. So let me give you a breakdown for the trades I took on Friday. That's the last day of the week. And I think that's the last Friday of January also because today is the 2nd of January. You get what the fuck? Today is the 2nd of February. So yeah, these trades that I'm breaking down right here was trade I took 3 days ago. So let me pull it up real quick. This is the trade I took on Friday. Friday was the 31st of January, and these are the trades I took. Two trades. I took one win and one loss. So let me dive into the breakdown real quick. So yeah, I literally framed this trade from a 1 hour time frame. We had this 1 hour bullish fair value gap right here, and all I was waiting for is the pullback to the 1 hour bullish fair value gap, so we can go back up to take out this buy side liquidity. And that's as easy as it gets. Then I came down to the 15 minutes time frame, and as you guys can see, we had this 15 minutes bearish fair value gap coming towards the 1 hour fair value gap. Then we had the tap into the bearish fair value gap right there. We had the tap into the bearish fair value gap. Then we also invest this bullish fair value gap right here. We also invest it gap. So all I was waiting for is a 5 minute fair value gap with displacement to take an entry from, of which that's exactly what I had right here. We had this 5 minutes fair value gap right here. And as you guys can see, I took the entry from the fair value gap. And as you can easily tell, we had the push to the 1 hour fair value gap and we hit our take profit. So let me take the shit off. So then, let me clean up the charts. I think the second trade happened immediately after the first trade. After we swept this liquidity, okay, after we swept that liquidity, yet we had this big push causing a market structure shift and a change in state of delivery. This trade was actually beautiful. The second trade was actually beautiful. You get, we had this market structure shift and a change in state of delivery. That's when I was now looking for buyers, but I didn't take the first entry. I took the confirmation entry. That's the second entry right here from this block. We had this pullback to this first value gap right here. Then I took my entry from this other block right here, targeting a 1 to 2. But as you can see, price went straight down and stopped me out. Like it's actually crazy because this trade was more higher probability than the first one, but I got stopped out. That's how you know that trading there's no 100% guarantee about a trade. And also, I sent all these trades out on my Discord server. So check the link in my bio if you want to join the Discord to meet other new traders, other newbie from different countries. You can actually meet everyone. We are currently only, I guess we are only 22 in the server now. So if you join, you will be one of the first people in the server. Anyways, that's the full breakdown of the trade I took. and that makes me break even for the week because I took two losses and one win. And my losses, the win literally covered for the losses because I took a 1 to 2 trade right here. I took two losses, then plus one win. One win gives me 2%, and that's also two. Then equals to zero. So I was literally break even for the week, and I'm not actually mad about it. I'm down. I'm also down 2% on the account. Let me show you guys real quick. Because this is what the fuck. This is the account, and as you guys can see, we literally went down minus 3%, and we are actually back up like minus 2% right here. Look at the account balance. It's currently sitting at um $9,800, and these are the trade. These are the proofs of the trade. All you need to know. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. I actually appreciate if you watch this video down to this point. That's a great help to me. You guys can take it as nothing, but you're actually helping me out by watching this video to this point. But please like the video, comment anything, just comment anything you get, and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this community. Catch you all guys on the next one. Peace.